Assalamu alaikum. In today's video I will show you how you can make an animation video in one click, for free. Yes, friends, you will not have to do anything. Just give your voice and it will be animated for free, just like this. So let's start the video without further ado. First, you have to click on the link in the description. Then you will come to this website. Here you can see, this is a tool for making animation in Adobe Express. So first you have to click on Make Animation for YouTube. Here, click on it, a new tab will open. Here you can see, it is written, Animate from Audio. It means that you can make animation here through audio. So below it you can see three options, character, background and size. So here you can choose your favorite character from the character option. So there are many characters here. If you click on it, you can see, there are many options here. New, human, creature, food and emoji. These are divided separately. You can choose from here as you like. So I'm choosing one. After choosing the character from here, you can adjust its size from here. Or you can also choose from here. Then there is the background option. Here you can see, upload image is written. You can upload an image from here. Besides this, there are some backgrounds, some colors. You can also choose from them. I'm choosing one. If you click on size, you can see, there is a size or expected ratio option. You can also choose from here. Or if you click here, you can see, there is a size for Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. You can also make YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos from here. So I'm choosing YouTube from here. If everything is fine, you can record audio from here. You can choose the cartoon character from here. Then there is the upload option. You can upload your recorded voice from here. You can make a video according to the voice you will upload. You can upload 2 minutes videos every time. Which is best for me? You can enable Enhance eSpace when you upload a record or audio. It will enhance your voice better. I'm uploading an audio from here. You can see, it is processing while uploading audio. You saw, my voice was changed automatically. I did it with Voice Aid. I have uploaded a tutorial video in the description. You can watch it. You can download it from here. Or you can preview it. I'm previewing it. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will show you how to make an animation video in one click. For free. I hope you understood. If you want to get more videos related to AI like this, you can subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Goodbye.